Hello, welcome to your English 115 online classroom. I'm ErinMcConomy, an instructor with the English department at North Island College, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the course. This is part one of the tour, and in this part we will talk about navigating through the content, posting to discussion forums, and posting journal entries. First thing is the Start Here menu. And this section gives you some essential information about the course. First thing it gives you is the syllabus, which gives you contact information of your instructor, as well as other pertinent information about the course. And your course schedule gives you a list of units, activities, assignments, and due dates for the entire course. And finally, the protocols gives you a set of guidelines about how to conduct yourself in the online classroom. The other important piece of information this Start Here menu gives you is a link to the North Island College information about booking distance exams, which you will have to do for this course. We're going to move on to the content now. All of the content for the course is under Course Content and is divided into these 6 units. Clicking on Unit 1 will take us to the introduction page for the unit. This page gives you unit topics as well as a list of outcomes for the unit. By clicking on the introductions and writing process title, it takes you right into the unit itself. This is the table of contents, so includes all of the pages for the unit. If you can't see this table of contents, it's because it's been minimized, and all you have to do is click on one of these buttons to expand it and to be able to see it. In the content areas, this gives you all of the information and directions you need for the readings, activities, and assignments for the entire course. Some of these direct you to the text, whereas others provide links or direct you to other areas of Learn in order to do your work. This section right now, the introductions, is a discussion forum, and it asks you to introduce yourself to your fellow students as well as to your instructor. In order to post your discussion, you click on this Open Introductions here, which will take you to the discussion forum. To post, you need to create thread, and then here you can post your brief introduction. Once you've completed your introduction, you can press Submit, and that will publish it for your instructor as well as for your other fellow students. These discussion forums are located within the unit itself, as we saw here, but they're also compiled under Discussions in the left-hand menu. So this is a list of all the discussions for the entire course. Another tool that works very similarly is the Journals tool. So here is at the end of Unit 1, you're asked to write a journal entry. The difference with the journal entry is that it is for your instructor only to read, whereas the discussion sections are for everybody in the class to read. But it works very similarly to how the discussion works. So you click on Opening Reflections here, you get your instructions here, then you click on Create Journal Entry, title it, write your journal entry, post entry, and once you've posted the entry, then it will be visible to your instructor. So that's all we're going to talk about for this tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we'll talk about submitting assignments, creating wikis, and course announcements and emails.